Dudes, what is going on? So when I post on Instagram now, I do this cool before and after LUMA fade effect, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I do that. So in Lightroom, choose your photo, right click and choose create virtual copy. Then right click your photo, choose develop settings and copy settings. Choose check none and then just check the crop one and nothing else and click copy. Then select the virtual copy and choose reset. Then you'll right click the virtual copy and choose develop settings, paste settings. Now you can see that is a perfect before and after and it matches the crop. Now all we have to do is export both the photos. Import both the photos into Premiere Pro and put them into a new sequence. Move the edit on top of the original. Then head over to the Effects tab and choose LUMA key and move it onto the edited photo. Set a start keyframe for both threshold and cutoff, then move forward slightly and set 2 new keyframes. For the end keyframe, set threshold and cutoff to 0%, and then for the start keyframes, set threshold and cutoff to 100%. Now we can see the LUMA effect has been applied. Now to make things a bit nicer, we can select the end keyframes, right click and choose ease in, and then select the start keyframes, right click and choose ease out. And then we want to grab the start keyframes and move them to the start of the clip. Now all we have to do is adjust the keyframes to suit our desired timing. And finally, to finish it off, what I like to do is make a new adjustment layer and put this above our photos in the sequence. Then head over to the Effects tab and find the Transform effect and add this to the adjustment layer. Then set a keyframe for the scale and move it to the start, and then set a new keyframe at 110% and move that to the end. So guys, that is exactly how I make my before and after posts on Instagram. If you like this one, consider liking and subscribing. And as always, stay creative and just be you.